skating out of that corner. Traction control. I like riding without traction control, but I would prefer for safety reasons to have it on. That way it's not this loose. You just feel it just floating, the rear just floating out of corners. And then damp, humid conditions like this, where it just finished raining like an hour ago. Not the best feel. Traction control needs to be on. That was a good reason why. Internet riders could say, oh, I could push it faster, harder. You're not doing it fast. Go ahead. Have fun. Ride your Super Duke sport bike how you want to ride it. Naked bike, adventure bike. I'll ride how I like to ride. But this bike is an animal without traction control on. That proved it back there.